Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ option with the help of a price action strategy. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our daily videos. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Hey guys, we are live on Euro USD and we are quite late today. So usually we take our trade in this time frame, but unfortunately today we couldn't because I had been out to a temple last night and I just got back home. So that's the reason there's a delay in today's trade. But however, let's see if we have an opportunity to take a trade. I will place the trade. If not, I might just exit the market as it is, because right now if you ask me, the market is volatile. With this long wicks we can identify that the market is not stable. Whenever we see these kind of long wicks or shadows, it is an indication for us that the market is volatile, so it's better to avoid trading in that period. So let's just wait. I'll skip forward to the session, skip forward and see if we can get a trade. If not, I will just end the video and let you know, guys. Hey guys, as you can see, I've taken a down trade here, and the reason I did that is because the market is clearly on a downtrend, and this was the high, low, and this was the retracement phase, and the market broke the support level here with this candlestick. So that's the reason I took a 5-minute trade on the downward direction. So let's just wait how the trade goes and then I'll explain you the complete setup. So we won this trade with a clear margin, guys, as you can see. And let me explain the setup. And you can also see that I did not use any tools over here, because this setup, I'm quite confident with this trading setup. Let me just explain the setup quickly. So as I told, the market is in a downtrend. So this was our high, this was our low, this was our lower high, and this was our lower low, and this was again our lower high, and the market started falling down from this level again. You can see these three candlesticks movement is a clear indication that the sellers have started moving and starting to push the market in the downward direction. And this is where the market took support earlier when the market reached this level. So there were good enough buyers over here. But once the market broke this support level is when I understood that the sellers have become dominant and they will continue pushing the market in the downward direction. So that's the reason, without any tools and analysis, I was just able to take the trade right away, because I have traded this setup multiple times earlier. In the past few days as well, we have taken one or two trades with a similar setup, and we had won with a clear margin, and again we won the trade with a very good margin. So that is it for today's trading session, guys. I might take 2 1-minute trades, and let me see if I can make a video of that and share that with you on the channel. So that is it for today's 5-minute session. Thank you for being around. Have a wonderful day.